Welcome back. iPhone 11 Pro Part 2 Face ID True Depth Issue Repair. So from the previous repair that I didn't put in the display anymore, we are going to use a Qianli Clone DZ-03 for my repair for the Face ID or True Depth issue using the tag on flex, and we're going to use the Mega ID desktop. So first is to disconnect the battery connectors, and then we have to take out the tri-wing screws here so that we could take out the cables. First we take out the bracket that holds the cables, and then we could remove the connectors. There are total of 3 cables that you have to disconnect. So once we take out the Face ID module, we're going to put back the phone without it. So let's connect this one, then let's connect back the battery, and then let's put the phone on the recovery mode. Here we connect the phone in recovery mode going to the Windows computer, the Qianli Clone DZ going to the computer, and also the power adapter for the Qianli. Then on the desktop, we are going to choose Mega ID. Then we grab the Face ID module and connect it to the 11 Pro port. We could actually test it here and it will say fuse. We could also test it here by clicking on test. And it will say IC fuse and then the abnormal, and it says result IC fuse, and on the screen it will say test complete. Next is we're going to click on read. It will show another dialog box if you want to save the serial number, and I'll just put it on my desktop and then click on save. Then we do the cloud backup function, and then it says query cloud backup succeeded. After we do the backup, we do the activate, and it will say remaining activation to, then we click on yes. Make sure that the power connector or the adapter for the Qianli is connected so that it will burn the IC fuse. And it will say start check, check complete. On this part, it will say normal, 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 and still an IC fuse. Then we take out the Face ID module. Let's grab the tag on flex for us to test, but we have to follow the folding instruction as per the provider, which in this case is Qianli. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to press cloud burn. And then it will show a cloud backup list. That's the last one that we back up. Click on OK, and then it will start to activate the tag on flex. Once it is done, let's test it again. And it will say all normal. And then let's take out the Face ID module. So we exit from the recovery mode and disconnect the battery for now. And we're going to put this one back. So you might notice there is a tight space here. You could remove the battery, place this one first, and then put the battery back. So at least you have ample space for you to put in the tag on. And then let's test. And then just connect or push in the top portion so we could test Face ID. And let's turn it on. So let's go on to our settings. And then when we go on to Face ID, the True Depth error message will disappear. And go on to General and then About. You will see that the only issue that we have left would be the battery service. And I already set up my Face ID. So let me just lock it in. There you go, and then we can unlock it. You might notice that I use a different programmer for the repair instead of the first video that we had that I use a JCV1S Pro. In here, I use a Qianli Clone DZ-03. It's because that is the one that I have more success on, and those are the tag-ons that I have at the moment. If you have any issues, concerns, or suggestions, kindly write them down below. Thank you very much, and have a good day.